Good morning, this is Karen Spar, Executive Vice President of the Southport Oak Island Area Chamber of Commerce, and today on Faces of Commerce, we're talking drones with BluSky Options. Good morning, Gerard.
Good morning.
Please introduce yourself.
I am Gerard Cuomo. I live in Bolivia with my beautiful wife, and our kids live over in Boiling Springs with our grandchildren. And my company is called BluSky Options, LLC.
And tell me, I know you've got a lot of experience, so tell me a little bit about your background.
Okay, so get ready for the short version. I started flying actual airplanes when I was 17, became a commercial pilot at 19, and did that for 15 years. After that, I decided to take a significant pay cut and became a firefighter paramedic. Did that for 10 years, and then decided to get back into aviation. I'm a graduate of Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University, and I was looking to get back into something and applied to and got accepted to their master's program in unmanned aircraft, which set me down this path on realizing, hey, drones are something that a lot of people need that they don't really know. So this has been a heck of a trip.
And you said, a lot of people don't know they need them because when you think of a drone, you think of all the pretty pictures on the beach, and it is that, but it's so much more.
I know, and we talked about it. I love the pictures on the beach, and I would do that all day long if it would pay the bills. But there's so many applications for drones. Aside from the usual suspects, real estate, construction, things like that. But we were talking, insurance, asset verification. Small business owners who want really cool content for their social media or their websites. Like we were just talking after the recent unpleasantness we just had with with Ms. Debbie. My roof and my neighbor's roof, we seem to have some leaks. So we sent the drone up and I surveyed both roofs. Showed it to the superintendent, and he was, oh yeah, there's a screw here, there's a screw, oh yeah, that's loose. Did you guys get up on the roof? And, no, not at all. Put the drone up, set about 10 feet away, and surveyed the whole thing, and he was pretty impressed with that. So even things like that
save you time.
And that's the biggest thing is the time saving. If you're somebody who has multiple sites you have to go to with your site preparation company or realtors, and our realtor who's now our friend who helped us with our house, she's constantly all over the place. Surf City here, Holden Beach tomorrow, and me being able to go out and provide super high resolution, excellent video, excellent photographs. The savings they have in time is immeasurable. Like we're just talking about the work I just did out in Fayetteville. I was a mall. The guy was dealing with multiple locations, and I was able to get out there, survey the entire mall in about 2 hours, and about an hour and a half later, he had everything, pictures, video, everything he needed on his desk, and he was super elated and super happy and can't wait to do it again. So, and all I keep hearing is the time savings. That they didn't have to go do this themselves. Someone going up on our roof. We have houses around here that are 3-4 stories high. Why go up on a ladder? Pay me a little bit of money. Let me go up there. Do it for you. And just the resolution of our cameras now are just it's just amazing.
So a lot of time savings, a lot of safety.
Safety issues, yeah, absolutely. Even thinking recently all the post-storm stuff, being able to access places that we can't access by road and things like that, definitely, this is definitely an option.
It'll save you a lot of snake bites too.
Absolutely, we don't like snakes.
Well, I do appreciate you being on Faces of Commerce today. How many people get up with you at BluSky Options?
So you go to www.bluskyoptions.com, and that's BLUSKY, no E. And on there you can have, you'll see my email address, phone numbers on there, all the social media, Facebook and Instagram, YouTube, definitely active on all that.
Well, we wish you much success on this business. And if you are in need of drone services, please make sure you call BluSky Options at
472-220-8550.
Thank you very much, Jerome.
Thank you.